Hey, Toyota Tundra. Let's change your license plate lights from regular bulbs to LED. Now, a lot of people will tell you to get underneath and you just twist it and pull it out. I found it easier to take this whole piece out, and I will get underneath and show you what I press in another video. But let me just push this out here. So, right here, there's one. Push that in, push the other side in, kind of squeeze it, and this whole light comes out. You can do it by doing just this, by twisting this and then pulling it out, but getting it back in is pretty difficult. Now, I had some blue ones in there to see if it would take the LEDs because I already had them, and it does. So I'm going to replace this blue LED with a white, and what I normally do is turn my lights on so I know if it's working. And I'll pull out one of these LEDs here. Wow, what the hell's that? Give me a little puller? I don't even know what the hell that is. So let me open this up and see if this LED works. I'll plug it right in. Now we have an LED light. Now, up here it's much easier to get this in, get a good seat, and then give it its twist. I think it's counterclockwise to lock it. Maybe it's clockwise to lock it. Yeah, clockwise to lock, counterclockwise to unlock. If you don't want to pull this out, you can do it underneath, but it's very cramped on there, especially with a tow hitch. So I just found it's easier to do it this way. Push that back in there, it'll click in, and done. LED changed. If you look at the other side, it's the blue one. And I'm going to change that one now, and I'll show you what it looks like underneath. So here is underneath. Here's the wire that I just clicked counterclockwise, and here is the tabs are on the side of this light fixture, and I'll see if I can pick it up over here a little bit. It's pretty cramped under here. Should be right there. See that little clip? You push that in on both sides and it pushes out the whole thing. If you want to do it by just twisting that, you can, but it's a pain to get it back in from underneath here. Alright, guess we'll end that there.